Welcome back to Language Explorers programs. In this idiom week, we'll be sharing some idioms which include nature words. Minglava, di Language Explorers idiom program gani nature salone pawene idiom lidigo tinsapi doma psipare. So let's get started. The first one is out of the woods. Out of the woods, which means not having a problem or difficulty any longer. Patamazo idiom garo out of the woods psipare. Adebega pyatana akeke ma lumyaude sore adebe psipare. For example, after struggling for 3 years, they are out of the woods now. The next one is down to earth. Down to earth. The meaning is practical and direct. Nauta idiom garo down to earth psipare. Adebega latwi jado twewaimu mashido sore adebe psipare. For example, she's a down-to-earth person, so you can rely on what she said. The last one for today is a ray of sunshine. A ray of sunshine. That's a person who makes others happy, especially in difficult situations. Didabadwe nason idiom garo a ray of sunshine psipare. Adebega kakere achini rima pyoshwimu pi naine du sore adebe psipare. For example, you are a ray of sunshine for me. I've got strength and motivation from you at my darkest time. So that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Bye.